The 2019 through 2021 Toyota RAV4 has a few different replacement options. You will need to know if the vehicle has the lane departure warning system, the pedestrian avoidance system, the forward collision alert system, a rain or light sensor, or a heated wiper park area. The vehicle requires to be recalibrated once the windshield has been replaced. Using aftermarket glass can create problems during calibration, so we recommend using only OEM glass. If you're trying to replace your windshield and determine the replacement cost, you will need to know which options your vehicle has. Or if you call the Honda dealer and speak to the parts department, if you provide them with your vehicle identification number, they will provide you with the factory part number. Most auto glass companies can decode the factory part number to match the NAGS part number and then provide you with an accurate quote. If the company does not ask for your VIN, it will be difficult for that company to provide an accurate quote because prices are different depending on what vehicle options you have. Just remember, prices are subject to change.